I think they were the day that I was texting. Robert? What? Take that, because I'm going to run her across the finish line. So you... Ready, let's go. Sorry.
Yeah, we are ready for that.
He will be fastest. Seems like every day. He's going to be fast. I just found
Not good. Take that off. It's regular war.
You got a number? You got a number? So did I, that other school as well. They haven't won
Print off sheet that has your time on it and highlight it. You get 250 points.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So what are you going to do now?
You too.
I got stay here and help clean up.
Right here.
Are you going to have it at home?
I thought it was he thought it was less. And then I didn't want to leave him. You guys like flew ahead. I was like, alright, I'm staying with him.
Hey, where the fellas going? Hey, hey!
So what do we got?
30-point time.
A little bit of travel. You'd have thought some of it.
Have a good day.
But they finally got it. They got it on the tax rate.
Stay in line. We're in the shoes.
Yeah, well, it should be a tax rate.
Yeah, but yeah, it shouldn't be because the city of Ottawa just generating income. Because people go to a hockey game, they always go to the store and that's where all the rest of the people have to do. The store in Ottawa. She was like 21.
Hey, you guys not crossing the finish line, are So anyways, I guess
He's got the bill. Yes,
You're telling Mike?
Oh my god. Yeah, she is remarkable.
So at least now you get another picture.
Good job, good job.
Thanks.
Good job, good job. Casey, you might win the age. I got one of these stupid trophies.
Good job,
There's never been Way to go, way to go. Look at my swag, dog.
Yeah, at the start.
Nice.
Took a picture and then he was talking to her to get the info.
That's disappointing.
Good job. All the way there.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't want to cross in front of him. Woohoo! Almost done! You look great! Good for you! Good for you!
pretty impressive though, finishing a few seconds fast. You had a pretty good time last night.
Melissa said your name and Daniel said,
I can feel for that. It's all relative, isn't it?
yeah,
I'm happy with the time for that.
well,
I think all the people put
oh, there's